Have you heard about Invideo AI? This AI tool is changing the game right now. I'm sure you've heard about Pictory AI or even Midjourney and other AI tools that takes your thoughts and create videos. But Invideo AI is changing the game right now. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to register for Invideo AI and simply how to use this AI tool to make some really amazing video. Now, if you're new to this channel, welcome, I'm Andrew, and I'd really appreciate your support if you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. Now, let's jump to my computer screen so that I can show you step by step how to use Invideo AI. Let's go. So now guys, all you want to do, just open up any browser you have and simply type Invideo AI, right? Hit enter. Now once you do that, all you have to do is just scroll down, say Invideo AI. Make video easily by giving a prompt to Invideo AI, right? Just go ahead and click that. You'll be taken over to a website like this, right? This is Invideo AI website. And how you can register. Here it says join with Google. And that's how you'll easily do it. So if you have a Gmail account, just simply click join and you will be able to sign in with your Gmail account, right? So here you see I'm gonna sign in with my Gmail account. And now you see that it's gonna let me in. Now it's gonna ask you a few questions, right? All you have to do is just go ahead and click through these. Now, how did you hear about this? I'm gonna say YouTube, click continue. Now it's gonna ask you what motivates you. I'm gonna just choose the first option here and click continue. And here it's gonna ask you what defines my role best. I'm gonna just say educator, right? Or you can choose YouTuber, etc. It's up to you. And finally, it's gonna ask you to create a workspace. So I'm gonna just write Drew. I'm gonna just write Drew tutorial as the workspace and click continue. Here you can choose to connect to the Discord or you can simply skip that. For now, I'm gonna click skip. And here you have it, guys. Now this is the field where you write what you want your video to be about, right? It's up to 3,000 characters, right? And then once you do so, you simply need to click generate the button. I'm gonna simply give it a prompt to create a video what AI is and how AI is taking over the world. And now I'm gonna simply hit generate a video. This will take a few minutes to analyze and create my video. You can just simply have a look at what it's doing and how it go about creating the video. So it's analyze what I need, I know it's thinking, it comes with a title of my video, I know it's preparing it. And now you see guys where it's asking me a few more things. This is gonna help to make the video the way how I want it to be. Now it's gonna ask me the audience. Is this for tech people, students, or just the general public? I will leave this to the general public. Now you want to get the look and the feel of the video. If you want it modern, minimalistic, or professional, or inspiring, I'm gonna choose inspiring. And for the platform, you can choose LinkedIn or Facebook, but I'm gonna leave it on YouTube and just click continue. And I'm gonna just wait for it to create my video. Now this can take a few minutes to do, but trust me, it will do a very good job creating the video. And here you can see the percentage of how far the video creation is at. And here you have it, guys, minutes and my video is created. Now, before I play this video, I want to mention something. Not only does this AI tool come up with a script for me, create the video, but it also sync a human-like voiceover, very good one, to this video so that you will never know that it's an AI voice. Now let me go ahead and play this so that you can hear the video for yourself.
Ever wondered what AI is and how it's taking over the world? Well, it's time to delve into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence, a concept that's reshaping our lives in ways we could never have imagined. Artificial intelligence, often shortened to AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. Imagine a computer that can think, learn, reason, and understand like a human. That's AI in a nutshell. AI works through a series of complex algorithms and machine learning. Algorithms are a set of rules that the AI follows to solve problems, while machine learning allows the AI to learn from past experiences. It's like teaching a child to recognize shapes. Over time, the child learns to identify different shapes based on past interactions. Similarly, AI learns from past data to make future decisions.
Guys, for the moment I've paused this video, but what I'll be doing at the end of this video, you can go ahead and watch the entire thing. Now, what I'm gonna do, let's say you want to modify this video, you want to change some clip, or you want to really add some text for yourself. Now you realize you have two options here, guys. You can go ahead and you can edit the media and you can edit the script. Here you can also go ahead and if you would like to generate something else, you can just simply type the command what you want the video to be and simply generate, and it will redo the video for you. Now to edit the media, you just simply need to click edit button right here, and here you will see the different clips. So if you'd like to change any particular video clip, it doesn't matter where, right? All you have to do is just select the one that you want, right? For example, this one. And here you can simply upload a video clip if you have a video clip for yourself, or you can search. So I will just simply type AI here and just hit enter. Here you can choose stock, or you can go ahead and you can also select all, and it will basically search for anything, and it will basically include everything, right? But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna just simply select one of these videos. So let's say I want this one. I will just click on it and just simply click replace. And this is going to replace the clip that is on the video for me. Now, once I click replace on the video, I'm gonna simply hit the apply button down here, and that's gonna easily replace that specific clip in that specific place that I chose, right? Now, as for the script, if I would like to modify the script, let's say there's something there that I don't want, or I really would like to see the script that was written, I can easily click edit script, and I can basically write something there. Let's say this is the complete video, the video is fine, and I would like to write something about subscribe to the channel, right? I'm gonna just hit the plus button right here, and you will notice that it gives me a new section, right, that I can type. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just write. So there you have it, guys. I simply write, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Easy. But this is not all. What you wanna do, this is only the text. So what you want to do, you want to ensure that you had tags, and you also select the video clip so that it can generate the video clip. And how you do this, right beside the text here, you see a video and you see a text icon, right? So it's grayed out because nothing is there yet, but you can see in some of these areas what is there. The text is basically what you want to show on the screen, and the video is basically what you want it to generate. So if I hit the video icon here, it's going to give me the keyword, and I'm just gonna write like and subscribe, right? And that's gonna easily generate that. If I would like to add for text where I would like it to be, I'm gonna just choose it somewhere. I'm gonna put it like an overlay or lower third or title. Let's put it like a text overlay, for example. And then I'm gonna just easily write subscribe. Easy as that, and apply. Now you can see that it's already changing and it's already analyzing, and this is going to do a new generation of that specific section which I've added for me. Let's give it a few minutes and so we can check it out afterwards. Now guys, it's done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go towards the end of this video and I'm going to play it so you can see where it has generated this new section that I've added. Let's go ahead and play it.
Find this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.
And there you have it, guys. It's not the best one that he has generated, but again, we learn how we can go ahead and edit it. So if I click edit button again, and I will choose the end of my video, what I can go ahead and do is just click the arrow here to go down to towards the end of the video. Here I can go ahead and click it, and I can easily choose to search for subscribe. So let me hit subscribe there in the search field, and this is going to easily search for some subscribe video, and I will replace that. And this is how you can easily do that. So let me find something very nice. Let me use this video for example. So I will just click replace and apply, and this is going to easily replace the video clip. So if I go ahead and click here, let me go ahead and play now, and you can see how it has replaced it.
For the benefit of all.
If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.
And that's how easy it is, guys. That's just an easy example, guys, but you can easily go ahead and generate really amazing videos using this AI tool. Now, once you're finished, guys, right, all you have to do is go back here and click export. Export your video. Now you see that you can export videos in 480p, 720p, 1080p, and even 4K. But in order to do this, you need to have a paid subscription, right? The same goes for watermarks, and the same goes for your branding as well. So now guys, now you see the value and the quality within this AI tool. And if you think that it's worth it, you can go ahead and pay for Invideo subscription, and you'll be able to leverage all of these amazing features with the AI tool. And there you have it guys. So easy, so simple, how you can use Invideo AI to make some really amazing video. If you've not yet subscribed guys, go ahead, hit the subscribe button to this channel, hit the notification bell to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time.